Understanding gets complex in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations: gets complex. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, this video will unpack the layers of this phrase. Let's get started. Gets complex is a phrase that signifies something becoming more complicated or difficult to understand. The verb gets implies a change, while complex describes a state where things are not simple or are composed of many parts. You'll often find gets complex in sentences discussing topics that escalate in difficulty. For example, the plot gets complex as the story progresses, or the math problem gets complex after the introduction of variables. Let's see how gets complex works in various contexts. In storytelling, as more characters are introduced, the storyline gets complex. In discussions, the debate gets complex when you consider the economic implications. In instructions, the assembly of the furniture gets complex at step 5. There are several expressions similar to gets complex that you might hear. Becomes complicated, used interchangeably with gets complex. Turns intricate, implies something is becoming very detailed or involved. Grows complicated, another variation conveying a rise in complexity. That's a wrap on gets complex. With this phrase in your language toolkit, you'll be better equipped to describe situations that are multi-layered or challenging. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find that even the complex aspects of English are within your grasp. Happy learning!